What's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to remove throttle body and clean it on a 2011 Ford Escape. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go by the air filter box and then remove the clamps. The second thing you're going to want to do is, I already done this, but this hose, this vacuum hose will be on this like that, and then you just squeeze the side and pull it up. The third thing you're gonna want to do is get a screwdriver like this, and then this clamp right here you're going to loosen up. So when this clamp is off, vacuum hose is out, and then this is loose, you can just take this and just put it to the side so you can have room. Okay, so the throttle body has 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, and then the 4th one will be right here. Like I said before, I've already done this. I've already taken them out. But to take it out, you're gonna need 5/16. I got this from my little toolbox. So I got a 5/16. Alright, and then you're gonna take out all 4 of them. So now when the throttle is removed, I did not unplug the electrical wire because I don't want to do a throttle relearn, you know. I don't want to do that, so I just leave it plugged in. I just really wanted access to the back because on my previous video I cleaned the front a little bit, so I really wanted to have access to clean the back. As you can see, there's a lot of carbon buildup, and I got my throttle body and air intake cleaner, and I'm just about to spray. And I'm gonna take a rag and I'm gonna find a toothbrush to just remove it and just clean it up. All right, so now that we got the back pretty decent, and then we got the front cleaned pretty decent, I'm gonna spray some more, but so you can see I got a rag taking a lot out. I'm gonna try to get it better now.